Hi guys, welcome to Short No Life. So in today's video, we're doing another Madam Glam video. So thank you for joining me. But thank you also to Madam Glam for sending former polishes out for me to try. If you don't know what or who Madam Glam is, they have a 21 free formula. They are HEMA free, cruelty free, palm oil free, and they are a certified vegan company. So they sell gel polish. I've seen regular polish on there. They have builder gels. They have so many things on their website, not just these polishes, but these are the 4 polishes they let me try. I believe the first one was, neon lime green. Then the blue is Take Me to Mykonos. And now the purple is Hear Me Roar. All of these are neon colors. The last is blood orange neon. They are beautiful, bright neon colors. And if you're used to neon colors, you know they have that jelly look, but these are super opaque. They don't have that jelly look. So when you put them on the nail, they should pop without having a white background. I do recommend them. And if you want to check any of these products out, there will be a link down in the description box down below that will take you directly to Madam Glam's website. And if you want to save extra 35% off, I'll pop my code up here. And if you don't want to be a VIP member, just hit pay as you go and you can introduce the code at checkout. So to start off, I'm going to paint all of my nails this autumn aura. I say this word wrong every single time I use it, but you saw the name. I do recommend this. This is actually one of my favorite nudes from Madam Glam. I do mix mine. This combo, this is the first time I ever did the autumn aura with the XOXO. It is so beautiful when you mat it. If you have these 2 colors, try it out and see it if you like it, because it is so beautiful when they're combined and then you put matte on top of them. So I did pop a picture up of my inspiration pic. I got that photo off Shein. I was scrolling through Shein. They had a sale and I saw that and I was like, I really want to recreate it. So that's what I'm doing right here. I did say you don't need a white to make these neon colors pop. However, I'm not good at really seeing something unless I draw it out first, and I wanted to do an ombre on top because that picture has like a blue to a lighter blue ombre, and I decided to do mine a blue and green ombre. So the white is just like a roadmap. It's telling me exactly where I'm going with my colors. It's not there to make my colors pop, but as an added bonus, it also helps me not have to do a second coat, even though I don't really need a second coat with Madam Glam. But if you are a second coat person, this white will help you not to have to do that as well. So that's really why I'm putting it on here. And I am kind of popping up which finger each nail is, because I know I kind of go a little fast sometimes and I don't tell you what nail I'm working on. So I'm trying to do as close as I can to the photo, but when I actually finished the nails and I was trying to put the last part, which was the gold, on, I realized a lot of my lines were wrong. They weren't curved enough, and I don't know, I thought they weren't curved in the photo, but I didn't have it zoomed in good enough. So I guess it's my own interpretation, but I was trying to do exactly like the photo because I loved everything about this set. You can also add to this set by blinging it up as well, but I feel like the gold was fine. So as you've seen, I'm taking Take Me to Mykonos and neon, I'm sorry guys, I keep blanking on the name, but it's neon lime green. And this is not a tutorial. I should have said that in the beginning. This is a watch me practice. I am not good at ombre when it comes to the brush. What I was going to do was actually sponge this on and just clean it up with the cleanup brush, which is an option if you're also not good with this brush that I'm using now. I can't get that blend that I can when I use a sponge. I rather just use the sponge, if you know what I'm talking about, the makeup sponge. I just rather use that makeup sponge because I don't understand the brush, but also I know I don't have a good quality ombre brush at the same time. I haven't invested in a good decent one. And if you guys have suggestions, I know Madam Glam have one and I really want to try that one out. If you have suggestions, you can leave them down below if you don't mind. But yeah, it's probably just the tools that I'm using. So for me personally, I would just use a makeup sponge and do my ombre, but I really tried with the brush this time, and that's what I'm trying to show you guys. But also I forgot that I could have sprinkled on some acrylic and then did the ombre twice, and that would have helped as well with the blend. That's another hack if you don't know about it. So yeah, there's different ways you can do ombre, but for this video I really wanted to do the brush but I'm not good at it. Like I said earlier, this is not really a tutorial, which is why I'm not kind of going into full details, because like I don't think I did a great job with my blend. And I'm gonna show you the nails together side by side, and the first nail I did was way more blended than the second one, because I took the green all the way down through the blue, and the blue turned colors because I took it through the blue. And then I realized with my second nail I didn't want to change that color blue, as you can see, but the ombre is better on the first nail, but I still wanted it to be blue, not that color change that happened on the first nail. But the first nail does look better, but I did change the technique where you could actually still see that it's supposed to be blue. But in all honesty, this is the first nail, and it's a better blend. So yeah, I should have took all of them through, but I really just kind of blended it in the middle for the rest of the nails. And also I was going through a lot of techniques. I'm just going to say it like that. I was really going through a lot of techniques. So when I get to the other technique I tried out, I'll show you that. I really only go through 2 of these nails on camera with you, which was the pointer and the middle, only because it's a super repetitive. I did the same thing on all 4 nails, so I only did those. But this one is the ring finger, but I showed you on this finger, I took that, after I did my blend, I took the green, and yes, I did drop a nail, but it was fine. But I took that green and I did put it at the top, and then I took that blue and I put that at the bottom, and then I used my brush to blend it a little bit more, my striper brush. I'm sorry, this is a liner brush, and I thought that would help. I'm just going through trying different techniques, and I do clean up all of this because I am going over the white line. That's why I said that white line was to help me with the guide, and it really did help because it helped me to not just kind of go crazy. I always knew where I was supposed to go back to, if that makes sense. So it really did help me. And now I'm just matting the nails out. If you saw the original photo, it was shiny, but I wanted them matte. And then I took my gold gel paint from Madam Glam. I always recommend their gel paints. They are just amazing. And then I'm just going to outline some of the nails. Like, I'm going with the photo. Whatever I saw on the photo, I did that on my nails as well. So their gel paint, the gold glitter gel paint, I believe it has no tacky layer. Honestly, I've noticed it does not have a tacky layer, but I don't top coat it. You can top coat it, but that's why I matted them out first, so I didn't have to top coat it. But if I were to wear these, I would go back in with my no wipe top coat on top, but there is no tacky layers. I feel like you could get away with not top coating it. And I feel like the gold also is really what makes this design pop with that ombre. I'm gonna definitely have to try something else out like this, but I'm gonna do it with the sponge instead, because I cannot get that brush technique. I don't know how you guys do it. I honestly think it is my brush. I need to switch out for a better quality one, and I will get one eventually, but for right now I think I'm going to stick with my sponge technique. It is so much easier to me. I do want to mention some of the nails. You may notice that the gold line is a little bit more curvier than my outline, and that was because I noticed, like I said, that my lines some of them were supposed to be more curved, and I didn't make them curved. So that was my attempt to make them curve, was to do it with the gold line, if that makes sense. So these are the nails outside in the sunlight. I thought they turned out pretty. I love that nude. That combo is really gorgeous to me. But yeah, I love this set. I love how it turned out. The blend could be better. I didn't do my thumb, which is what I was showing you. But yeah, I really love how this set turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this set. I just want to say thank you guys for joining me. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I do new videos twice a week. I want you guys to have an amazing day. Bye.